Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve the problem Instagram keep stopping or Instagram stop responding like this. So I'm going to show you how to solve this. Whenever you open your Instagram app, as I am going to open, so whenever you open your Instagram app, you will see that after few seconds, or you will see that you will get a pop-up message like this. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to use this one. Automatically you will see that it will stop responding like this. So what you have to do is, first of all, just go into your setting. So I'm going to my setting, and now you have to scroll down, and here you will see apps option. Just click on it, and if you are not finding app option, you can just search in the setting and you will get it. Now you have to scroll down and you have to find Instagram app. Instagram. So now just click on it. Now you have to scroll down, and here you will see storage option, memory option. You have to just click on memory option and go back and click on storage option. Now here you have to click on clear cache, and you can click on clear data. All of this application data will be deleted from it. This includes all files, setting, account, database. So you have to delete all these things, and now I'm going to open again Instagram. So whether this method works or not, we are going to ensure this. So I think this method has worked in my device. So like this you can solve Instagram keep stopping or responding in Android mobile. So if you like this video, please like my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.